Hello student, today we have start new chapter related to 12th science of Maharashtra board. The chapter name is oscillation. What is mean by oscillation? Oscillation means the moment is back and forth in a regular rhythm. It's called as oscillation. In physics, the motion of particle is to and fro in a same path in a regular rhythm is called as oscillation. So in your daily life, for example, pendulum of a clock is an example of oscillation. Vibration of tuning fork is another example of oscillation. So etc. The all is depend on your oscillation. The number of examples is present in your daily life related to oscillation. So next we are discuss about the what is a periodic motion. What is a periodic motion? Any motion which repeats its path after interval of time is called as periodic motion. Means what? Your particle having motion and it's repeat the path to and fro in definite interval of time is called as periodic motion. Okay, but the circular motion is not a oscillatory motion. Circular motion is a periodic but it's not a oscillatory. Okay, so what is meant by linear simple harmonic motion? The simple harmonic motion, the linear simple harmonic motion means what? When your particle is moving in a straight line and its repeat the path is called as linear simple harmonic motion. Okay, and second is the angular simple harmonic motion. What is meant by angular? When your particle having motion along a circumference, along a arc of circle is called as angular simple harmonic motion. Okay, so next point is we are discussed here linear simple harmonic motion. Linear simple harmonic motion. Let us see diagram. This is your rigid support and one end is a string is attached and another end of a string we are attached here is block having mass m, small m. Okay, this string is defined your stretching. Okay, this is your relaxed means what? Equilibrium position of string, and this is will be compressed position. These are three positions which one stretch, relaxed and compressed. Okay, so what happened here? Okay, when your block is pulled towards right side and release, what happened? You got oscillations. Yes, you got oscillation. Right left means what? String will be compressed and stretch. Okay, so when your string is compressed, then the distance is defined x. Okay, so distance is directed in this direction, but the force is directed opposite. This is your force is defined F is equal to minus kx. Okay, x is defined displacement and F is defined your force and k is a constant. So this is for stretch string. Okay, when your block having equilibrium position, it will be relaxed, no force act on this position. Okay, so next when your string is compressed, then what happens? When your string is compressed, the x is directed this one towards the rigid support. X is directed towards the rigid support, but the force is directed towards equilibrium position. Here also towards equilibrium position. So obviously force is same. Why? Because displacement is same. So you got F is equal to minus kx. When your string is compressed, you got the force is F is equal to minus kx. What is negative sign defined? Negative sign is defined your force and your displacement is opposite to each other. this arrow is defined. This is your force direction and this is your displacement direction. These are the opposite. Then it's negative. Then it's negative. So this is your diagram, explanation of diagram. So next, you got X force from figure, F is equal to minus kx. This formula is defined according to Newton's second law of motion. You got F is equal to ma. So A is equal to F upon m. So put the value of F here. So you got A is equal to minus kx upon m. So A is equal to minus in bracket k upon m into x. So A is equal to minus omega square x. K upon m. Omega is equal to under root k upon m. This is the value of omega. Omega is defined angular frequency. In oscillation, omega is defined angular frequency. And the value is root k upon m. So I want k upon m. So I square this. Then I got A is equal to minus omega square x. This is your first point. What is linear simple harmonic motion? Okay. So next point is differential equation of SHM. Differential equation of linear simple harmonic motion. We are discussing. So first is equation as it is. F is equal to minus ks. Second as it is. Why? Because according Newton's second law of motion, you got a second equation. F is equal to ma. So now I combine equation 1 and 2. Just I combine here. So I got ma is equal to minus kx. But we know that the velocity is equal to displacement upon time and acceleration is equal to velocity upon time. So I written here v is equal to dx upon dt. A acceleration is equal to dv upon dt. When I differentiate this, then I got d2x upon dt square. d2x upon dt square. So now I put the value of A is equal to d2x upon dt square in this equation. Then I got m as it is. A is replaced by d2x upon dt square is equal to minus kx. So now just this RHS take LHS, then is minus is comes to positive. So m d2x upon dt square plus kx is equal to 0. So just divide by m. When I divide this m will be cancelled. So I got d2x upon dt square plus k upon m. X is equal to 0. But substituting k upon m is equal to omega square here. Omega is equal to root of k upon m. Then this called as k upon m is equal to omega square. Just I put the value of k upon m. Then I got expression is d2x upon dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. These two expression, this one and this one, these two expression is defined differential equation of linear simple harmonic motion. Differential equation of linear simple harmonic motion. Okay, I hope you understood these 2 points. So today we are stop here. Thank you.